Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install PUBG mobile game app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are encountering these challenges, then there are quite a number of steps you can take. In the first method, you need to go ahead and open your Google Play Store. Make sure you are logged in with the Gmail before you search for your app and try to install it. However, if you are trying while logged in but you are unable, then go ahead and just tap on your profile icon here. I'll go ahead, tap on this and scroll down to settings. Under settings, look for the option called network preference, and under network preferences, look for this option called app download preference. Here we have quite a number of choices or network options you can choose from. Go ahead and choose the first option over any network. This will ensure that you are able to download and install this app via the current network you are connected to. To save these changes, tap on OK and go back to your Play Store, download the app and see if this works. Now, in most cases, this should be able to fix your issues. However, if you are still stranded, then you might want to go ahead and find if the issue is with Play Store itself. For this, you need to access Play Store app info page by just long pressing on it, and you should see app info or a settings gear or even the name of the app. Just go ahead and tap on any of these. And here you'll be taken to the Google Play Store app info page where we can now clear Play Store app data, and we can do it straight from here. But if I go to storage, this will show you a breakdown of data on this app. Of importance is this cache data. And when we talk of cache data, these are just small files that Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance your user experience. But when these files accumulate, they might cause this Play Store app to malfunction, thus making it even harder for you to install apps. So to clear cache data, go to clear data down below and then tap on clear cache here, then OK. And now this should be able to fix your issue. So from here, you just need to restart your smartphone. Now go to Play Store and just search for your app. So I'll search for PUBG Mobile. Here it is. And now I'll go ahead and try to install it. And let's see if this works now. And look at that, now the app is being installed. So that's how you can fix can't install PUBG mobile game app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.